What is up Manila? I'm Aishadel from Manila Shaker. This phone is the Realme C3. It's powered by Helio G70 octa-core processor. I will explain what's special about the chipset, but first, let's see what's left in the box. A Realme welcome card, of course, with some guides, a 10-watt power brick, Realme cord, and the pin. And that's pretty much it. So I heard that this is the only phone on the market that has a Helio G70 processor, and this will be the first phone in the Philippines to have this powerful budget chipset. It's newer, it's faster compared to Snapdragon 665, and we expect that this is a mid-range budget phone. It has a large 5000 mAh capacity. If you look at the back, you'll see a sunrays design that is now located at the top corner, and like it's coming from the main lens. Basically, the lens is the sun and these are its sunrays. Nice! Makes sense, diba? Nung unang kita ko sa likod ng phone, yun agad yung napansin ko. Because I'm using this Realme phone which also have a sunrays design and it's coming from nowhere. Literally. Nowhere. Feeling ko this is some sort of Easter egg, I guess. I mean, isipin nyo, pag dinagdikit mo sila tapos binago mo yung orientation, it's like it has to be a big sun in the middle. Who knows, maybe Realme tease us on their future phones. It has a triple camera setup. We got a 2 megapixel macro lens, 13 megapixel main lens, and a depth sensor. We can see on the sides the SIM tray, the volume rockers, and the power button that looks premium. We got the same setup on the bottom. Stereo speakers, headphone jack, and sadly a USB 2.0. That means it doesn't have fast charging. And it is a teardrop notch housing a 5 megapixel front camera. Now let's open the phone and set it up. So, we are now in the Realme UI. It basically based on a stock Android plus the Color OS. It runs in Android 10.0 right out of the box. It is so satisfying to see this kind of UI. It is light, fast, and seamless. The icons and the animation is not pretty bad at all. I mean, look at that. It's pretty fluid animation. Moving on to the settings, the Realme Lab has been removed as well as the dark mode, but it didn't gone actually. It's right here in the official settings inside the display and brightness. And it now has an animation with switching between light and dark theme. Tignan nyo tong bagong sound ng Realme. Meron siyang isang new notification sound. Grabe, super lupit Realme. Grabe update nyo. Wala, natuwa lang ako. Now this, the volume slider interface has changed finally. You can now tap on it to change the volume rather than sliding up and down. Ay, thank you Realme. Sa Pinas kasi, pag may pinlay kang video, minsan nagugulat ka sa tunog eh. Minsan may babaeng. And the screenshot. The screenshot UI got an update as well. It has a little pop-up window here, and if you pull it down, it will instantly share, and sliding on the left, make the window disappear. Napaka-minimal niya. It has its new navigation as well for multitasking. Unfortunately, tinanggal nila yung 2 buttons navigation, which I really like. And it now has an auto-hide feature for your virtual buttons. You can set it up on the settings. Screen recorder got an update as well. You can now use the system sound as sound source, but you cannot use both options. This one is pretty convenient. It has a double tap to lock feature. So when you are in the home screen, you just double tap to turn off the screen and use your fingerprint to open the device. It's not new, but I am thankful they put that feature on their phones. They got their own cloud as well. It is basically a cloud sync of your files to their cloud. It has their own storage drive as well, and if you go for example to recordings, you can now see a settings that allows you to sync your sound using their cloud. Now, let's run some benchmark of this powerful chipset inside this device. Marami akong nakitang benchmark dito na umabot ng 190K. Let's see. So it scored 181K on Antutu. It surpassed the Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite and the other phones as well. Long story short, it is a powerful mid-range device. And lastly, the Game Space app got its new interface and a new sound effect when switching to competitive mode, it feels minimal na. So I have a question for you guys. Try to guess what graphics settings I am using on these games and comment down below your answers. I have so many updates for you to show, but for now, ito muna. It is only our first impression with the Realme C3 along with the Realme UI. Abangan ang full review namin sa phone na ito next week. So if you want to see that, please subscribe and comment down your impression and opinion about this newest phone. Kasi for me, I think may papalit na kay Realme 5i on its title, The Budget King, or shall I say Gaming Monster. This is our unboxing. I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned for more videos. Again, this is Aishadel of Manila Shaker.